Do you know how many work visas were issued in 2022? Well, 2,67,067. So if you also want to migrate to the UK on a health and care visa as a carer, this video is for you, as alcohol everything from start till the end. This visa category is considered as one of the easiest route to migrate, as you don't even need a degree. So irrespective of whether you know something about this visa or some bits to it, I can promise you will learn something new today. So do you know that there are 640 care homes in the UK who can sponsor your visa? Yes, that's a big number, and you can migrate to the UK without paying a single penny to those agents who are charging you 10 to 20,000 pounds. So if you want to learn how to apply for a job as a care assistant without any agency eligibility criteria, cost list of documents, list of companies who are hiring now, and the latest announcement by the UK government, make sure to watch the video till the end. Hi guys, I'm sorry and welcome to your Namsty England You and I. If you want to reach out to me, you can email me on or message me on Instagram. So without any further delay, let's begin with today's video topic 1. What is health and care? What is healthcare worker? Visa worker visa, the carer or senior carer. Visa is one of the UK health and care worker visa routes that allow overseas nationals to work in the UK. Senior carer visa applicants must be sponsored as a senior care worker by an employer within the NHS supplier or in adult social care. There are 2 job codes, 6,145 for care workers and home carers, 6,146 for senior carer workers. Successful applicants can live and work in the UK for a period of 5 years. And after 5 years, migrant workers with a health and care visa will also have the option to settle in the UK, which is called as indefinite, live to remain and get your British passport year after topic number. Benefits of this visa. 2 benefits of this visa. Due to the current shortage of senior carers in the UK, the role of care worker was included on the UK shortage occupation list in 2022. This means that applicants for the care visa have a lower minimum salary requirement to meet the carer. Visa also provides other benefits such as fast-track entry to the UK together with reduced visa fees and exemption from the immigration health surcharge. Topic 3. Eligibility criteria. Eligibility criteria number 1. You must be aged 18 years or over. Number 2. You need to have a valid certificate of sponsorship (COS) from a UK licensed sponsor. Number 3. You will need to meet the salary requirement, which is to either over the minimum salary threshold or the appropriate rate for the job you have been offered, whichever is higher. Example as of today, for care workers and senior carers, you can see from the screen the going rate defined by the UK Home Office now. Awful minimum qualification at NVQ level 3 or equivalent, which means even 12 past students can apply for this visa topic. Visa requirements number 4. Visa requirements to apply as carer for visa requirements. You need all the 4 points which I discussed now from the topic 3. However, additional things which are needed are number 1. If you're applying from overseas, you must prove that you have had £1,270 in your bank account for at least 28 consecutive days. Day 28 must be within 31 days for the date you applied for your visa. You will be exempt from this financial requirement if you're applying from within the UK and have held a valid visa for at least 12 months, or if your employer can cover your cost for the first month you are in the country. Number 2. Evidence of the English language, like either ECTIS, which was known as NATIC before, or ILOScope number 3, have a valid tuberculosis test results if you are from a listed country like India, Pakistan. Bangladesh number 4. Be able to provide a criminal record certificate from any country where you have lived for 12 months or more within the last 10 years. Number 5. A current valid passport or travel document to prove you can travel. Number 6. Any expired passports or travel documents to show your travel history topic. Number 5. Application fees. The health and care visa comes with a reduced application fee compared to that paid by the other skilled workers. If you're applying for 3 years, you need to pay £247 per person. And if you're applying for more than 3 years, you need to pay £479 per person. The fee is the same whether you apply from inside or outside the UK. Topic 6. How to find companies to sponsor. Companies can sponsor your visa. Firstly, if you don't have the rights to work in the UK, then you can only work with those care homes or companies who are registered with a UK Home Office, because as a foreign national you need a COS, which is Certificate of Sponsorship, which is a must to apply for this visa. You have 2 options to check if your company got license or not. First method, go to Google and search UK Home Office license sponsor, and